So I'm about to start cleaning one of the cars that just came in. And most of the time when cars come in, they come in a very clean state. Very little work needs to be done on them. So this car is our little Hyundai Accent, and I'm just going to do a little video of the floorboard. Now this floorboard's relatively clean, but I want to show you how nasty some people can get. So this is the console area, and you can see leaves and dirt. It looks to me like there are cigarette ashes down in here. The car has a little bit of a cigarette smell, not a terrible one. Now I'm going to show you this carpet. Pretty dirty. Now that's not terrible. Look, there's a stain right there on the side, some sort of, that's new, some sort of stain. And now let's go look at the rear seat. So this is pretty nasty. I don't know exactly what these are. This is crusted on. It looks to me like babies have been in the back seat with cereal or something. Floorboard's really nasty. Mostly dust and dirt. There should be a mat there for the floor, but that appears to be gone. And just really, I have no idea what this is. It's sticky. It looks like gum. Just a really nasty cleaning job is going to be needed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an indispensable tool that I bought that I think may very well be one of the most handy things I've purchased to help with the Turo business. So this is the Bissell Little Green Pro, and it is a small portable, it's not a steam cleaner for carpets, but it's a carpet cleaning machine, and it has two tubs, one of which, this one, has cleaning solution, a combination of water and cleaning solutions, and the other one is the collector where the water is collected. And of course you have a wand with a suction hose attached, which I'm now going to show you in operation. So this thing is pretty noisy, and I don't know if I'll be able to be heard when I turn it on, but here we go. I'm going to turn it on. And to begin the process, there's a trigger, and you'll see water comes out, and you spray and give suction. Look at how nasty that is. Look at how nasty that is. Now down here where it gets really dirty, you can see the you have to go over it multiple times to be able to get all the moisture out that you just laid down in there. And of course some of it just goes straight through the fabric into the cushion and then comes back out. Like you can see here, I already went over this and you can see how nasty that is looking, that water coming out, pulling all kinds of soil out. already that seat looks a whole lot better. So here's the floor before a vacuuming, which I'm going to first vacuum. And again, here is the seat before I've gone over it with a combination of the vacuum and the Bissell. But this is the kind of thing that, you know, I don't encounter very often. So here's how the seats look after I used the Bissell Mean Green or Little Green. And you can see this is right where the bubble gum or chewing gum was stuck to the fabric. I had to use an upholstery cleaner, the vacuum, and also a paper towel to be able to pull the, you know, soften the bubble gum up and pull it off. Fortunately, this fabric is like a polyester or something, and it didn't really stick to the fabric, but it took quite a while to get off. Now, there's a few little spots like right here that are not quite completely clear, clean, but keep working on it. But you know, the seats really look a lot better now. They're still a little bit moist, which makes them a little bit darker, but gosh, a lot of nasty stuff came out of that.